Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a gallery to your Shopify store. Whether you're showcasing products, sharing customer photos, or highlighting your brand's story. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a beautiful, organized gallery that looks great and helps your customers engage with your shop. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin page. This is your command center, where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. If you're new to Shopify, just head to shopify.com, go to login one, and enter your store details. Once you're in, take a breath. You're on your way. Now, from the left-hand menu, find and click on Online Store. You'll see this option among your main navigation links. This takes you into all the visual aspects of your shop. Basically, everything your visitors will see. Think of Online Store as the front door to the decor of your business. From here, select Customize. The Customize button is what opens up your theme editor, and this is where you organically change how your site looks. Colors, fonts, banners, images, and of course, galleries. Next, look to the left panel within the template editor. This is your toolkit, packed with options to enhance your pages. What you want to do here is click Add Section. Take your time with this step. It can sometimes take a moment for all the available sections to load, especially if your theme has lots of features. Add Section is the key to inserting extra content like testimonials, sliders, or, in our case, a gallery. In the pop-up or search bar that appears, start typing Gallery. Shopify themes vary a lot, so if your theme includes a built-in gallery section, it should show up as you type. Select it and you'll be able to start adding images for your gallery right away. This is perfect for product launches, displaying user-generated content, or just creating a vibe that fits your brand. But what if you don't see the gallery option? Don't worry, this happens more often than you'd think. Some Shopify themes, especially older or more minimal ones, don't include a gallery by default. The good news is Shopify now provides a way to generate new sections. Look for a Generate button, usually near the Add Section dialog. Click Generate and then type Gallery into the prompt. This lets Shopify build a gallery section for you on the fly, so you're not blocked by your theme's limitations. Think of it like asking an assistant to prepare a new photo album for you, tailored just to your needs. Once the gallery appears, take a moment to add your images and play around with layout options. Don't worry if things don't look perfect at first. You can always adjust placement, captions, and even the order of photos until you're happy with how it feels. Galleries are all about storytelling visually, so experiment a little with what you want to showcase. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a vibrant gallery section on your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial useful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It helps others discover these tips. If you run into any issues or you have a question about customizing your gallery, drop me a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you're building a shop and want more practical tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck making your store shine.